Yeah, y'all. LVZ NBA talk, like, share, subscribe, peep the mother. Look, Carl Anthony Towns is a monster. I feel sorry for this dude because he's very good, man. Very, very good. I mean, Steph was shaking niggas' shoes off, and Carl Anthony Towns held him in the game shooting just as many threes and scoring 37 some points, grabbing double digit boards and blocking shots and helping his team win. Yesterday, he did the same thing. 37 points off 13 for 18 shooting and 4 for 7 from 3. Still their best 3 shooter. 7 for 13 from the line though. Imagine if he hit his free throw. He had 37, would have had 40. 15 boards, 8 assists, 4 steals, and 2 blocks to lead the Minnesota Timberwolves to a 121-99 whooping of the Charlotte Hornets. Andrew Wiggins bum ass chipped in 16. He was 6 for 13, 0 for 3 from 3, 4 for 5 from the line, 4 boards, 2 assists, 1 steal, 1 block. He just don't have it to me. He's not a bum. His motor is just so low. He is like one of the most disappointing players ever. And you just got to reside to the fact he'll never be a star. Jeff Teague said he won't be the same again, and I can see because his 4 points and the way that Kyrie was fucking him up the other day proves that. Some dude named Travion Graham had 12. Jake Layman from Maryland had 12, 4 for 3 from 3. He still ain't a better 3 shooter than Carl Anthony Towns. Ain't that a bitch? When your center's your best 3 shooter, you are in some goddamn trouble. Devontae Graham, whoever the fuck that is, led the damn Hornets in scoring. 24 points, 6 for 9 from 3, 8 for 15 from the field, 2 boards, 4 assists, 3 turnovers. He had 24. Terry Rozier was 4-6 in 17 minutes. He had 11 points, 1 for 1 from 3, 2 for 2 from the line. He had 10 assists, 1 board, 1 steal, and 5 motherfucking fouls. In 17 minutes, he was hacking and whacking out that joint. Dwayne Bacon wasn't frying. He had 4 for 11 for his 8 points, 0 for 1 from 3, 0 for 3 from the line, 4 boards, 2 assists. P.J. Washington followed up his great debut with a 10-point game, 4 for 8 from the field, 1 for 4 from 3, 1 for 2 from the line, and 10 boards, 17 points for Miles Bridges. All around, the Hornets was the Hornets. And Ticket, I got you. The Hornets are the only team probably with the number 2 picks just as sorry or sorrier than Lonzo. When you think Marvin Williams is a career bust, he gave us the KCP treatment. 12 minutes, no points, 0 for 2 from the field, 0 for 3 from 3, no free throws, 1 rebound, 2 turnovers. Niggas should have never touched the floor. And then Malik Monk, he was 0 for 3 in his 19 minutes. He was out there bricking too. But Michael Kidd Gilchrist, Lonzo Ball Sr., was 2 for 7, 28% shooting his normal percent for his 5 points, but he was 1 for 1 from 3. That's his only time he was ever 100%. 3 boards. No, he had 5 points, 4 boards, no assists, 1 turnover, no steals, and no blocks. Michael Kidd Gilchrist is the bust of all buses. Number 2 overall. Thank you, Michael Jordan. We'd have never got Bradley Beal if it wasn't for you. Oh, Lord, that man shooting 28% from the field. He's a career 8-point per game scorer. Lonzo, this is what you got to look forward to. 1 LVC, man.